Hi, I'm Tammy Hanna, and this dance is car wash. In this dance, there's 3 different movement phrases, so let's take it from the beginning with the opening that goes both, right, left, right, up, both, right, left, right, up. We do that over and over and over again in the intro. So your intro are 2 sticks, both, right, left, up, both, right, left, up, and it goes just with the music. It makes perfect sense when you hear it. So that's the first part, intro. Then we're going to go pretty quickly. It's going to go top, side, floor, up, top, side, floor, up, top, side, floor, up, top, side, floor, up. Those go over and over again. When you bend to touch the floor, make sure that you are doing a squat. Your legs are apart, not bending over. We don't want to hurt your back. So when you're down here on the floor, make sure your knees are bent and you're squatting. That's the second part. The third part repeats itself over and over again. It's going to go pull from the top right, down, and you lift that knee. If you don't want to do the knee, if you just want to do from the top down, it's a diagonal from right down to your drum. But I like to bring that knee in there. So you do 4 of those. 1, 2, 3, 4. Walk around yourself. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Clapping up top. Take it to the left side. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Walks around 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that repeats itself. Now the last part is the actual car wash chorus. And during that, you're going to kind of make a swishy movement like you're going around and washing that car. You're going to drum on top and slide around your drum to the right and then slide back to the left. Car wash, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Other way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Last time, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and that's it. And it repeats itself over and over again. It goes with the music. So you'll have the intro, then you're going to do the top, side, down, up, and then you'll start in with the verse of it, which is the knee pulls. And when you get to the chorus, when it says car wash, you go around your car and come back. All right, let's give it a try.
Some of the work gets kind of hard, and this ain't no place to be if you plan on being a star. Let me tell you, it's always cool, and the boss don't mind sometimes if you act the fool at the car wash. Whoa, 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 talking about the car wash, yeah. Come on, y'all, and sing it for me. Car wash. Woo, woo, woo. Car wash, yeah. don't stop coming.
Work and work.
Keep those bags and machines humming.
Work and work.
My fingers to the bone.
Work.
People, I can't wait till it's time to go home.
Hey, get your car washed today.
Fill up and you don't have to pay. Come on and give us a play.
Get a wash right away. Like a car wash.
Talking about the car wash.
Car wash, yeah.
Come on, y'all, and sing it with me.
Car wash.
Sing it with feeling, y'all.
Car wash, yeah.
Oh, 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 oh. Those cars never seem to stop coming. What I say, keep those bags and machines humming. Let me tell you, it's always cool. And the boss don't mind.